Just make sure that you keep your hands away from the propeller. Let's try the throttle. Oh yeah. I swear, people, it just ran. It was just running. All right. On. All right, you got one to run. Tempted to stick my hand through there and run the choke. And that's enough. After 3 tries, I think we got it. This is what happens when you adjust the needle valve and you get a little close to the prop. Don't do that. By the way, it's my friend Nick holding the camera. Say hello, Nick.
Hi, Nick.
Here we go. We finally got it running on 2 cylinders. Sounds kind of funny when it runs on 1. Much better. Yeah, way rich for a bit. That's all, folks. Oops. Huh? Better tighten it. Running out of film here. I only got 34 minutes left on this card. By the way, this is Nick's 82 that went in with his Ultimate. See if it still runs.
Still runs.
And the other one was a 61 he picked up at the swap meet. An OS. A little rich, but it still runs great. That's all, folks.